guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys a haul from Ali Edwards. I am starting to prep for December daily. If you have been following me, you know that I have been doing a form of December daily for the last couple of years, and so I will put a link below if you would like to check out some of my previous December dailies. But I am super excited this year. I wanted to do something different, so I decided to order the new kit for this year, and so I wanted to share that with you guys. So it came in this little box here, and so let's dive in and see what's in this box. First thing I'll share is these words here. You get believe, fa la la, magic, Christmas, twinkle, merry, and joy. You get some little stars, tags. Here are some puffy numbers there. I think this is like more so a grayish color. Here is some Christmas trees. Let me take them out. And these are like a vinyl, real heavy vinyl Christmas tree. So these would be cute to add. Here is some words. All right, and let's just look at these. Christmas there, believe, Noel, gather, traditions. These are going to be so fun. Evening, this year, twinkle, and festive. Very, very cute. I always love these little stickers here where you can just simply add to a page. And I love the gold and the navy. That is so cute. All right, here's some more ephemera pieces, and these look like they are more so vellum. Let's check it out. And so these are cute. I love the colors. So fun. And so as you can see, I think I have them the wrong way. As you can see, so cute. These are going to be so fun to add to a layout there. So cute, cute, cute. Love it, love it, love it. Look at the little birds. Isn't that cute? All right. Family and friends around here. This box is jam-packed. And then these are like some cork board gingy. You get 4 of these. Here are some more fun tags. All right, and here are the tags. Lots of fun sizes, and then you get some of the sentiments. I would never forget the moment. These are going to be cute. This is going to make putting those layouts together very, very quickly. And here's some more tags there. All right, here's some frames. All right, and here is journaling cards. This says the story. And then here are some tag and pockets here. And here are those. And these will be really fun to add your journaling. And of course, you had to have some journaling cards, right? December story. All right. So here we go. And there are actually several of the small ones here. And then you always got your currently. Little story from right now. Tasting, touching, hearing, seeing, and smelling. Here we go. All right. Lots of fun journaling cards. Deck the halls. All right. Then you have these cute felt bows. Let's take a look at these. Just love these. All right, here you go. And you get, let's see, 4 of these. And these are so pretty. Look at the gold trimming around those. I love those. All right. Then you get some washi. Can't really see that, but you get a smaller washi here that says peace, bacon, and then you get some with the fun colors that's in the actual packet this year. And you have the paper that comes along with it. That fun ginger paper. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I'm telling you, with me taking it and using a kit this year, this is going to make it so much fun, because I usually just use the paper I have, because I just kind of do things out of the box. And then of course, when I do December daily, I don't really focus on like daily prompts. I kind of just use this time to kind of document some of the important things that has occurred in my life, either that year or previous year, just some things I hadn't had a chance to document. Look at those, so cute. You can even cut those and fussy cut those out. Here's another paper. And then here is a cute layout there. And then lastly, I'll share the actual book I'm going to use this year. Is the binder here. Lots of Christmas colors, and it already has all of the elements here as far as the pockets, page pockets. And so again, I am hoping that this year's December daily go really, really quickly so that I can get done with my album. But again, no pressure from me, because I just like to take my time and enjoy capturing those moments. I hope you will stay tuned for December Daily 2024. I cannot wait to tap into my album and all of the goodies. I think this was a great purchase. And again, hopefully this will help kind of jumpstart my December daily for this year. Again, I'll have the links below if you'd like to check out my previous December daily. And guys, if you have not subscribed, I would love if you take a moment and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your bell notifications so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Check me out on Instagram as well at Markeisha Turner 7. Guys, I post lots of things over there, some crafty related and some just a peek into my daily life. All right, guys, I'll talk to you in my next crafty video. Bye now.